Please help me, God. I feel so alone. I'm just a kid. I can't take it on my own. I cry so many tears, yeah, writing the song. Trying to fit in, where do I belong? I wake up every day, don't wanna leave my home. My mama's asked me why I'm always alone. Too scared to say, too scared to holler. I'm walking to school with sweat around my collar. I'm just a kid, I don't want no stress. My nerves are bad, my life's a mess. The names you call me, they hurt real bad. I wanna tell my mom she's having trouble with my dad. I feel so trapped, there's nowhere to turn. Come to school, don't wanna fight, I wanna learn. So please, Mr. Billy, tell me what I've done. You know I have no dad. I'm living with my mom. Hopeful, yes I am. Hopeful for today. Take this music, use it, let it take you away. And be hopeful, hopeful, and I'll make a way. I know it will be easy. That's okay. Just be hopeful. Yeah.